Okay, I'm Amanda LeVay, and I'm the founder of Redactable, redaction software that really works. First and foremost, what is redaction? Redaction is when you remove confidential data from your document and replace it with black boxes. I used to be a loan consultant, and I would manage about $100 million a year in deal flow pipeline. I would get tons of confidential data sent to me for due diligence, and I wanted a way to protect that data from third-party brokers. I would make the mistake of drawing a white or black box over my PDF thinking that it was redacting it, but it wasn't the case. And I found out that many companies were having the same issue. Major law firms, financial institutions, and even government agencies were not doing this properly. And therein lies the real problem. Companies are not redacting their files properly. PDF editing tools give a false sense of security. Just because you draw a white or black box over your content does not mean you're truly redacting it. And desktop applications that currently exist are outdated and require manual labor. The solution is Redactable. Our patent-pending web application redacts your files permanently. We utilize machine learning, so we automate the redaction process. We're file type agnostic, so you can redact more than just your PDFs. And we are cloud-based and web-based, meaning you can redact your documents right from your browser, no downloads or plugins required. Redactable is very easy to use. We made sure to design our software with you in mind. Our redaction wizard guides you through the entire redaction process because we want you to feel comfortable when redacting your documents. With Redactable, you can redact with confidence. Our proprietary software ensures that your data is truly eradicated. And most of all, we keep your file completely native, meaning whatever file you upload is the same native file you're going to get back without any distortion or any conversion. So it's really seamless. Just to give you a little overview about our technology and IP, we filed our non-provisional patents in March a few months ago. And the main key differentiator here is the ability to manipulate document structures in the cloud in your browser, as well as our cloud-based AI-driven redaction, which utilizes things like natural language processing, sentiment analysis, machine learning to understand what is exactly confidential within a document to give the user an ease of use as well as reducing human error. So our initial focus has been legal, and legal is very broad. That means both law firms and corporate legal departments. They're both spending around $450 million a year on compliance software. We've surveyed financial institutions, and they're redacting about 11 million pages per month. That's a high volume redaction, and they're actually outsourcing a lot of that to law firms, and it's costing them a lot of money. We utilize a SaaS model on our B2B side, so prices range anywhere from $49 per month per seat to $199 per month per seat. And the difference between the different tiers is basically feature set. We also have on-premise enterprise, which will utilize a site-wide licensing model because we have complete containerized solution that's easily deployed on your premises. Just to give you an overview about our competitive analysis. The biggest competitors are Adobe's redaction plugin, as well as Relativity's plugin for case management software. Our biggest differentiator is that we are fully web-based. We are file type agnostic, so we're talking about Excel, Microsoft Office documents, PDFs, etc. We are user-friendly. Our onboarding system, our user experience has been designed with you in mind, and we are mobile adapted. So that means that you can even redact documents on your tablet. Just an overview on our go-to-market strategy. We're going to utilize and launch a self-serve model, which means low-touch onboarding, faster sales cycle, targeting smaller to mid-sized law firms. We'll also have various channel partners that we're talking to who want to sell Redactable to their existing law firm customers, and that averages about 100,000 law firms that these channels have as customers currently. Just to give you an overview of the achieved and upcoming milestones, I've self-funded the company. I filed patents and started development. Q4 of last year, I started the beta and launched pilot testing with law firms, and currently raising capital for the product launch with the goal of launching the product at the end of Q3. We're raising $700,000 as a convertible note to give us about 14 months of runway. The biggest need right now is our key hires. I'm going to hire VP of Engineering as well as Chief Revenue Officer, and the rest of the capital is really going to go to sales and marketing. I identified the go-to-market strategy before. It's really going to help fund our growth and launch our product into the market. Redactable is a painkiller, not a vitamin. It's solving a real problem, and it is a major utility right now in the data privacy space. As we all know, it takes a village to raise a startup, and I'm inviting you to take part in the Redactable village. My name is Amanda LeVay. This is Redactable. Thank you for watching.